Hey, Bob. I'm going to take a quick look at your website for our meeting on Friday. And this will be the first time I've looked at it in any kind of detail on the desktop. So it looks pretty simple. That's good. Want even better collagen results? Okay, good. I assume that you're going to have a page or possibly add to this one where you explain what the benefits of collagen are. And I'm going to assume that this works. Some people have this set up so that it'll send an email, and that's just fine. The buy offer looks like it goes to your main directory site. That's really, really good that you're setting up a pre-sale page. But part of the pre-sale page is education. So oral collagen is now the largest category in the entire supplement industry. Good. That means it's popular. More than multivitamins or vitamin C, people are scooping powders into their smoothies, downing the Costco serum vials, or popping pills off the internet on a hope, a wish, and a prayer that it is working. Okay, use your contractions. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've told people this. And it's okay. It's perfectly normal when people aren't used to writing a whole lot. Write in conversational English. Okay. So use your contractions. Or popping pills off the internet. And I hope, a wish, or prayer that it's working. Which it's not. You could say it is not for more to be more pronounced about that. Unless you're not talking to them. You're not talking to them. You're not talking to them. You're talking to the reader. So replace every they or them you got in there with you. Okay. Unless you get a seriously effective product, enter Beauty Focus Collagen Plus by Age LOC, one of the oral collagen products with clinical trial results. And then we can click learn more. Okay. Right now at this point, I don't want to learn more because I don't know the benefits of collagen. So I think if it's possible at all, that needs to be put on this page. You got a video here. Let's check it out real quick. Okay, good. That explains a little bit about what collagen does. Now, tell people why they should watch that video. Learn the benefits of collagen and why you absolutely should have collagen as part of your diet. So if I click on learn more now, okay, Beauty Focus Collagen delivers 65% measure increase in skin collagen fibers in 2 months. Duke University. Okay, this compares to 3.6. Okay, good. If I didn't want to watch the video, I don't know what any of this means, 65% measured good, because I'm still not sure about the exact benefits of collagen. Do you have a story yourself as to taking the collagen? Did something really cool happen to you from taking it? Do you have others who have taken the collagen? This is all off the top of my head here. Like I said, first time I've looked at this. In Asia, women start drinking bone broth or chicken's feet in their mid 30s to restore collagen. It doesn't work. Collagen is a long chain protein molecule and doesn't survive the havoc of the digestive system. Okay, good. Um, I think we might need some H2 tags in here, like uh, some titles for each paragraph. People are lazy. I'm telling you, no offense to them. I love people, but they're lazy. If they may look at all of this and decide to skip it, but if they see these titles in bold, up here in bold, um, then at least they can get the gist of it. Gist, I think. At least they can get the gist of it, and possibly that could motivate them to read a paragraph that they weren't planning on reading on. Uh, Same video. Okay, I'm going to stop that now. That's the one that needs to be in the front. Okay, that's the one talking about the benefits of collagen. Okay, let me give you an example. Um, I spent 20 years in the hearing aid industry, living off commission, and my boss came in one time. This was my boss here on Oahu when I spent 10 years doing this in Illinois. But my boss on Oahu comes in and says, read this article. I was in the hearing aid business, and I read the article. It said something like 24 channel DSP circuit, blah, blah, blah. I had all this technical stuff in there. And I handed it back to him and I laughed. Must be a manufacturer article, huh? And he said, no, I wrote it. I said, oh, well, then it's very good. And I started walking away. He said, wait a minute, come back here. He said, what's wrong with the article? I said, you're selling technology. You're not selling benefits. People don't care about 26 channel DSP circuit, sensor digital signal processing, by the way. They want to know whether or not they can hear in background noise. That's what they want to know. And he said, okay, you're right. And he changed the ad. And so that's why this needs to be on the other page. Okay, because this is actually selling the benefits of collagen. And you need to tell people, always tell people what to do. Tell people to watch the video. Okay, watch this video to learn the benefits of collagen and why we have the best collagen in the market according to research. And once again, off the top of my head, this is good for that second page. Okay, now that you've sold people on the benefits of collagen in that other video, now you can sell them on the benefits of your collagen because they've clicked to learn more, and now they're ready to learn more now that they've been educated on what the heck collagen is in the first place. And I like your subscription thing here. I was going to mention earlier when I looked at this, don't require a phone number. People don't want to give their strangers their phone numbers online. Just think to yourself, is this something you would do? And if you wouldn't do it, then don't ask other people to do it. Get the contact information. The easiest one, people are absolutely used to subscribing with their email address. It's not a big deal. Later on, you could say, in a bulk email if you want to. I'm available for a phone call. I'm available for a Zoom meeting. something like that. But I really don't think, I'm assuming that the asterisk here means it's required. Okay. Don't require it. Okay. Let's see what else. I'm going to go back to learn more. Okay. And now, since I've started, now let's assume I've watched this entire video. Okay. Now I want to buy it. Now I might want to get more information. Um, Here's more information, supplemental facts. Good. Make sure these images have what's called alt tags. Alt tags, that's ALT. Alt tags are for both screen readers and for search engines. So you describe what the picture is in the alt tag, and you throw some keywords in there that look natural. Let's go back to here. Okay. I almost hesitate to click on buy now without seeing the price, but let's click on buy now. I think that'll send you to your direct sales website. Yep. Products coming up. Okay. And okay, now I find out it's $126. I've watched the video, you've sold me on it and all that other stuff. And they want you to download the app. Yes, I really wouldn't have that pop up right there when someone's getting ready to buy. It's just distracting, but that's not your website. I understand you can't help that. Let's see. Subscribe. Usually there's a little bit of a discount if they subscribe for a monthly order or something, but once again, not something you can help. Okay. You could go right for the buy, or you can click on something, or you can make this buy button that says, and have it say order information. And that way I know, because there are people still on the internet that are nervous that if they click something, then they automatically bought it. They don't understand that, they have to have your credit card somehow. They have to have your purchase information. They don't know that. They even if there's people, I have computer tutoring clients that I've helped with Amazon still, 21st century still. So it's quite possible that there's people out there where if they say buy now, they think they think they have to buy it and they're scared because they don't know the price. It's not as strong as a sales pitch, but order information could very well get them to click it more than buy now. Okay, so we already know where that goes. Let's see if we get that pop up again. Okay, they set it up so we don't only get the pop up once. That's good. So there's a cookie in there that dropped that command. Okay, so let's take a look at the technical stuff. Let's take a look at your main page here. Whoop, I really like that. Can't remember, exit pop-up. That's what it's called. This is just a program that I wrote. And I know you're still working on this website. The title that Google will see and everybody else, how about health collagen? Okay, that's what they're going to see, so that's what we need to change. The title tag is how about health collagen. Okay. That's an OG title. I can't remember what OG stands for, but it was invented by Facebook. Your word count is 139 words. Not bad. The first, an H1 tag is the most important tag that your visitors will see. Okay. The most important tag is your title tag. Google sees that, and that's what shows up in the search engines. The most important title tag that your visitors see is the H1 tag. Okay. And then the H2 tags are kind of like subtitles that you put in between paragraphs, and they're a little bit smaller. And then we get H3, H4, H5, going on down until, they disappear into thin air. I don't know. But you get the idea. H1 is number one, the most important. Then H2 is second most important. So for an H1 tag, you got subscribe for special offers. You need a good title and some keywords in there. H2 tag, enter your contact info to receive periodic specials. Once again, we need some keywords in there and some sales information. Then you got some more H2 tags. Want even better. Want even better what? And then you got collagen results. Okay, but somehow it looks to me like these were separated into two different tags. I wrote an article a while back that said treat Google like a 5-year-old. So all Google actually knows is that you have a heading that says want even better, and you have another heading that says collagen results. They're as far as Google knows, those are completely separate things. The number one home beauty supplement. Okay, that's an H3 tag. That's actually good enough for an H2 tag, but I gotta see it. Bring beauty home today. Good. Beauty focus. Trademark collagen plus. Okay. That's an H4 tag. One of the least important tags, by the way. Okay, so word pairs. What I did was I just programmed in for it to give me pairs that are four characters or more. So these aren't necessarily keywords, but how about is seen 0.7% of the time. I know it's you're kind of using your last name there, which is cute, but the person, if people don't know your name, is Robert Howe, and I hope I get that right. I'm so sorry the doctor won't let me have coffee. Focus collagen was used 0.7% of the time. Good. Serum vials, blah, blah. And then you got a lot of stuff used 0.7% of the time here. Okay. All right. And then we go on to my own advertising, which you don't need to see. Okay. So that's about it. We got a little bit of work to do, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday. And guess that's it. So aloha. God bless.